Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Ahmad Novel Azimi. Here I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Novel Azimi as the sixth semester of CBIB at EIN Madura. And here I would like to analyze the final exam of SPSS that is would like to make the tutorial the video here. And here I would like to begin the data that I would like to input in the application that the name is SPSS here. And here, before I start the video here, I would like to start the input the data that is about the subject, pretest, and also the post-test in the first number of the final exam. Especially here I would like to put the subject first, and after that here I would like to put the protest and also the post-test. And usually the decimal is the 0, and also the post-test and also the protest. And the type here usually use the string as the use of the alphabet. And after that I would like to input the data that has been sent by my lecturer, and here the data that I would like to put in the SPSS. And because it is a lot, so we will have to edit the data. And this is the score of the protest and the post-test that has been give to the students especially. And I would like to analyze this data that is for the descriptive analyze. And here I would like to put the descriptive protest to put in the variables here, and also the post test put it in the right, especially in the variables. And after that we have to click the options here, that we have to click all of the variants here, and after that directly we have to continue, and after that we would like to click OK. And this is the statistic that we have described the data that has been made by me, especially Ahmad Novel Azimi here. And this is the data that I have collect from the final exam, especially to put in the SPSS applications. And for the second number, I would like to put it in the second line, and this is the second number of the final exam. And I would like to make as the second number of the final exam here. And this is the data that I would like to input the data into application of SPSS. And here I would like to use the name is the subject, and also here the name of detail and global. Detail detail and global. And it is like that. And also here I would like to put the data that has been given by my lecturer. I would like to input into SPSS. And after that, we would like to analyze this data that is used in analyze, and also we have to use the compare means and proportion. And after that, we would like to click the pair samples t test, like that. And after that, we would like to put the detail and also the global. And I would like to click the OK to make the data SPSS such as like this. And this is the data that I have put into SPSS, such as in the detail and global. The differences between detail and global, and here the data that I have get from the SPSS. And after that, I would like to move to the third data that I would like to put it in the SPSS, and it is the same. That is like in the second number of the final exam. This is use ever and never. And the decimal usually we have to put in the 0. And also like this. And after that, we have to click the data view, and we have to put the data into SPSS. Like this. And this is the score that usually used in the SPSS, that a teacher is interested in investigating whether the achievement of students who join English course, and it is the differences between someone who join, that is exactly the scores in ever, and the score, and someone who didn't join, it is in the score in the never, like that. And directly I would like to analyze in the such as the example of the second number of final exam just now. And we have to use the analyze and also compare means and proportions. And after that, we have to click in the pair sample into test, and we have to put the ever in the right side and also never in the right side. So, and after that, we have to click the continuing here, like that. And this is the scores of the pair sample statistic, that is the differences between the scores of the statistic just now. And this is the data that I have get from the SPSS. And the last, it is about the correlations between the grammatical errors in speaking. So I would like to put in the data into SPSS, such as here, and we have to put like just now, especially it is the name. We have to put the subject, and after that we would like to put ever and never, and such as like just now that we would like to put the decimal here to be a 0 that I have get from my lecture, the explanation from my lecture. And after that here the type we would like to, the subject must be used in string because it will be the alphabet. And after that we would like to put the data into SPSS, such as in here, like this. I put the data into SPSS that I get from the final exam in the number 4, and here that is the data that I would like to input in SPSS. And after that we would like to use the, and we would like to analyze this, and after that we have to look at in the correlate after analyze, and after that we would like to click the bivariate like this. And after that we would like to put ever here to the right side, also here never in the right side also. And after that we would like to click OK like this, because it is the correlation, so it means that the data would be like this, such as correlation is significant at the 0.01 level to mean tail. And this is the data that I get from the SPSS, that the data that I get from my final exam here. And maybe just that what I can deliver for today. And if you find any mistake from my explanation, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.